We got a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is Nurse Stole from Target 35 times. 35 times? Damn. That's crazy. Nurse stole from Target 35 times before finally getting caught. Now, do y'all think she a nurse like RN? Or y'all think she one of them CNAs or them what they call them? LPNs? Yeah, that's the next up from the CNA, right? So yeah, what y'all think? I don't know, me. Is she a RN or is she a CNA or LPN? Let me know in the comment section, man. I want to know what your thoughts are.
And I'm gonna sue Target. Oh heck no. No. I'm gonna sue you all.
On August 9th, 2023, officers were dispatched to Target in response to reports of a woman with 35 prior incidents who had entered the store and was attempting to steal again.
This is grocery right now, so we're gonna go straight to the office. That's what we're doing. And Dylan's gonna explain it a little better. If there's another subject, that's valid. He said 100, I think. Is what he said. Or for the case. Oh, yeah. How about now? Now I'm unsure. I don't think she's gonna try to push it out. I think it's he knows more about it than I do. Yeah. Definitely.
Hey guys,
What's up?
Got a lady. She ticket switches stuff. She ticket switches like she ticket switches using sock barcodes usually. A little bit
What was it based on?
like 2,400. We have a name for her. I'm not sure if it's 100% accurate, but we have her as Thelma Grant.
Thelma Grant.
Yes.
That's an old.
Yeah, she's an old lady. I don't feel bad for her though. She knows what she's doing. Like she's been doing this for a while. Like just to give you some insight. $2,400 in theft.
How many? 32 incidences.
Yeah, so she's been doing this for a while. See, usually what she does is she grabs like little sock barcodes that are like $1, a little bit less. She'll put that on whatever else she's buying.
And then she'll actually go through the checkout line,
But
she'll scan the socks.
Yeah, she scans the socks.
Like 50 times.
Yeah.
So while she's scanning, can you pull up like what all
Live
is being run?
transactions.
Okay.
Yeah, we can. She's been doing this for so long that we have all these different incidents on her.
Yeah.
She's been in here a while already?
She's been in here for, I came off my lunch. She's been in here for like 30 minutes. I'm expecting her to head to the front soon.
Is she a nurse?
I have no idea. I know the last time she came in though, she was wearing scrubs, so that's kind of how I picked up on her today. I was like, okay, same scrubs. She's been hitting us forever. Like her incident started 2020, so she's been doing it for 3 years now. I think she's doing the switching in there where she's changing the barcodes out. Because what she did, she selected like an abundance of those.
But she just tape them on?
Well, they're sticky, is what it is. So those 50-cent cups and the 50-cent bowls, like the little plastic ones.
Oh, yeah.
She selected a lot of those. So what I'm thinking, because I've never seen her going there before, but what she's probably doing is taking the barcodes off of those and putting them onto the apparel items that she selected and the other stuff. So she can pay 50 cents for those. Oh, no. We'll get her once she pays at the POS and once she exits. We have to, like, Target makes us let them leave. That way it shows, like, there's no possible way they could have intended to properly pay. Like, that's why they call it the last point of sale. Like, there's no way that she could have paid properly. I just need her to get out of the figure at this point. And like I showed them, I've got 30-plus incidents of her switching barcodes. So I know you guys technically could pull her for defacing the merchandise, but we don't want to do that. It's just Target won't let us do that. But my boss did give us permission. Like if she, for some reason, like maybe sees the cop car or something, if she abandons it, we can pursue a trespass. All right. So she's taking switching. We're good. So see that? Look at that's a big black bowl that she scanned. That's a small white little cup that she scanned. So we're good. Let's just wait till she passes off points of sale with it. Can you guys tell the difference? So you see that's a big black bowl and this is like a small white cup. And then you should see it go here again. And the little paper bowls. Yeah, so she's still doing the cup. So we're good. We just need her to leave now. Perfect.
I wonder what she did with the cups.
She dumped them. She left them like
She did?
she left them where she dumped the other stuff. Hey, I'm sorry to bother. So I have Thelma right here at the POS. She used to take a switch. She switched barcodes. She scanned everything in, but her card might decline. It looks like she's struggling to render payment. If that's the case, the police are saying they have enough to like charge her with shoplifting because she switched the barcodes. But what should we do to see? We can.
Yeah, target can right as long as the police want to. I'm willing to prosecute on that.
Okay.
You get us an exit with it.
Okay. All right, thank you. All right, bye. Hey, so she's still at the POS, and she's been at the POS for 20 minutes now trying to render payment. And
Remember the first time I got my baton, I went home and I played with it, and I couldn't get it to close.
So we said if you guys want to pull it, we can go ahead and pull it.
Right.
Let's do it. All right, thanks, Mark. All right, bye.
Go ahead. I'll take your lead. Got it.
Hey, ma'am, you drop your phone for me?
Uh-huh.
You drop your phone for me?
Yes.
You're under arrest right now, okay?
Hold up a
Place your
minute.
hands, please. Place
For
your hands
what?
behind your back. We'll tell you as soon as you're uncuffed.
What I did?
We'll
What
tell
the-
you
what
as
the-
soon as you're cuffed.
What did I do?
What's are you? Just let me get some handcuffs on you, and then we'll bring you back and we'll explain everything.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What
Sorry.
did I do, sir?
Well, I'll let you know. Just let me get these cuffs on you real quick.
Okay.
Don't want to mess up your watch.
Uh-huh. What in the world did I do?
We'll explain. Just give us a second.
Would you like me to grab your cell phone for you?
Yes. What did I do, man?
We'll explain it in the office, okay? You're gonna move it over there. Did you want me to disconnect the call?
Yes. What did I do?
I'll check your purse, miss.
Okay.
So, the loss prevention officer is going to explain everything to you.
Yes.
We're just going to sit down, have a conversation, and he'll explain everything.
Right. Because I didn't do, I mean, for y'all to come up and just handcuff me like that in front of everyone, and I didn't do
We'll
anything?
explain everything back here.
How you all want to handcuff me?
Have a
What
seat
did I
over here
do?
on the bench for me.
Yes.
That's good. You can sit there or there, either way.
Yeah, I don't want to sit down.
Have a seat.
Yeah, I don't want to sit down, sir, because this hurt me. This hurt my arm.
So switching the
Okay.
barcodes,
Huh?
switching the barcodes of an item is a crime. It's considered-
I didn't switch
We
no barcode.
have you on camera now, and we have.
What did you, sir? You didn't see me switching nothing. I didn't switch no barcode
Yes, ma'am.
anywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, show me, please.
I have it right here.
So-
They've seen it. They've
Sir,
been-
no, you need to show me. Show me what did I do.
You don't- Okay.
Show me what did I do.
You switched the barcodes of the items that you rang up.
Sir.
From the Citrus Cup barcode.
Sir, I promise you, I didn't switch no barcode.
We have it.
Sir, I didn't switch no barcode.
What's your name?
I didn't.
I promise you, I didn't switch no barcode. Stop lying, Thelma. Thelma, come on. We know you did. They've been sitting back watching like this is cinema, man. They've been watching that camera like it's a movie, okay? Come on, Thelma. You too old to be acting like this now.
I didn't switch no barcode. Only thing I came here to do, at first I came here, I was gonna change my pajamas, but I couldn't get into the chime.
What?
I came,
Time and hour.
yeah,
that you
into the
made,
chime app.
like a debit
Yes,
card.
I came, yeah,
In your pajamas?
I bought me some pajamas the
Oh,
other day.
exchange.
Yeah, but then when I got to the register, she told me it was fine for me to go ahead and put that in there. I don't have anything else.
Right. I was just looking for. You got ID in here, man?
No, my ID and everything is in the car.
What's your name, man?
And then for you to go, you're not supposed to just search my items.
Well, you're arrested right now, man. So.
Yes, but what I'm saying is arrested for what? Shoplifting,
Please sit down.
sir. Show me proof that I shoplifted anything.
We just told you.
Sir, I did not. No, I did not.
Okay. Have a seat for me.
Heck no. Only thing I did, I went and I bought what I had. I was trying to get my money off the chime the whole time.
What's your name, man?
I'm not giving that information unless y'all tell me some stuff.
We did. We tried to
No, y'all did not. The first thing y'all did was handcuff me.
I just told you. You're under
No.
arrest for shoplifting.
How you under arrest First of all, sir, look here. First of all, I didn't leave out the store with anything, and I didn't
You don't
change
have
no
to.
price. I didn't change no prices on anything.
We
Only thing I
watched you
did
do
was spend what I had.
When you were scanning things, it was coming up as a white plastic cup.
Listen, I spend what I had. You're not gonna sit up here and tell me that I shoplifted anything.
Okay.
I spend the stuff that I had.
That's something that if you wish to fight it in court, you can fight it in
Oh,
court.
I'm definitely gonna fight this in court.
Okay.
I'm definitely gonna fight this in
On a tag, it says PCT. What the heck does that stand for? If you know what that stands for, let me know, because I ain't got a clue what that stands for.
court now.
What's your last name, Miss Thelma?
Not until y'all give me some information, because this is not fair.
What do you want?
Miss Thelma, we observed you bringing up items on the camera. And
Ma'am, I ring up everything. No, those are mine, because my bag is in the
Ma'am,
car.
I'm trying to
Those
Oh,
are
I have
mine.
her selecting those on camera.
Those are mine.
I have you on
No,
camera.
no, sir. First of all, you seen me get another size. That's what I did. And if you see what I put it back.
Okay, I'll tell you what, we won't even prosecute for this then, we'll just prosecute for
Because
everything.
the only thing you had to do is look and see that I was getting another size. That's all.
I understand.
And
but-
they didn't have another size.
Okay, but you still take a switch merchandise today, and that's what we're gonna
No,
prosecute. Okay, and we have 30
And
days.
then you are not supposed to search my purse. This lady right here is supposed to search.
No.
if you would like me to search instead of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
individuals-
Yes, ma'am. Because this is out of order right here. What they're doing. This is very much out of order.
Do you want me to finish this?
Put my stuff back in my purse. Put everything back in my purse. Because I'm not. I'm very. This is very.
Nah, she don't get to dictate who's searching the purse and all of that stuff. The female officer shouldn't even. Well, if you want me to search, I can. Nah. She listen. This lady right here ain't dictating nothing.
Sir, you can put my. Those are my items.
These?
Yes, those are mine. You can put it right back in my purse.
Those might be hers.
Put 'em back in there.
But so we're not even gonna prosecute on these. We're just gonna
Sir,
prosecute on merchandise. if you switch the
prosecute.
barcode.
I didn't take anything,
You
sir.
switched the barcode of
Sir, I
everything you scanned.
switched the barcode.
Yes.
First of all, I didn't switch any barcodes on
Okay.
anything, and I'm gonna sue Target. Oh heck no! No! I'm gonna sue you all. I'm gonna sue you all because this is not fair. This is not right. Nope.
Okay.
And then to have the police to come and handcuff me at the register around everybody.
Okay.
Oh heck no!
All right.
Didn't even bring me back here. Didn't even bring me back here. You're gonna come up there and handcuff me in front of everybody.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna get me a lawyer. I'm not talking to you because I didn't.
Okay.
Because you didn't do anything to me.
Okay.
You didn't. You stood back.
There's a reason why we're here.
Listen, it doesn't matter whether he's the reason. I'm talking about what you all did. Can you just ban me out the store?
We're doing that too.
I know that, but can you let me go,
That's up to them, but I don't think they are.
sir? That's all I'm asking, sir. Please, sir, please, because this is going to be on me, and I'm going to lose my job. I work at the hospital in day surgery. Please, please, sir.
He's got to keep his job too.
I understand that, but it's their judge. It's their call. Please, sir. I won't step back in here nowhere around it. Please, sir. I'll lose my job if this is on here. Please. It took me so long to get this job. Please, sir. I'm just begging you, please. Just please. Can I just pay for the stuff that you please, sir? And let me go, please.
Unfortunately, we have 33 incidents of you doing this.
From what and not in here?
I did.
Sir, no, you don't. Sir, I've never been. Oh my
You've
God.
never been to this store before? Is that what you're saying?
I always shop in here. I live right down the street.
Okay.
Sir, you have never caught me in no shoplifting or anything like that in here. Oh my God, I can't believe this. No, you did not.
Okay.
Sir, how much is the items? Oh my, I didn't even leave out the door.
Yes, ma'am. But you can face
I didn't leave out the door.
I understand.
I didn't leave out the door. I didn't pay for anything or anything.
It's 59.26.
Is that a misdemeanor or felony?
It's a misdemeanor.
Sir, please, I'm gonna lose my job. Please, sir.
I'm sorry. It's not my choice.
Well, whose choice is it?
It's part of the
Well, can you talk to corporate, please?
I already have it. I called. You heard me call them earlier, and what did they say?
To arrest her.
Yes.
I have never been in this store getting caught for no shoplifting or anything, sir. Please.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am, we
please,
have.
please, sir, I beg you, please. I have nobody to get me out on bond. Not only that, not only having this charge on me, I can't go to work tomorrow or anything.
Well, you didn't rob the store,
I'm
but you
just
were
saying,
stealing
well,
product,
sir,
which
what I'm
is money.
saying, and look here, I can see if I was going out that door and y'all ran behind me and grabbed me or whatever, but you got me right to register in front of everyone. You bum rushed me, you did this and that,
Ma'am,
and you could have called me
we
back.
didn't treat you
Sir, yes,
poorly.
you did. Yes, you
We
don't
weren't
call-
rough with
sir,
you.
Sir,
We
you
were
don't.
polite.
Oh, yes, no, y'all was not.
I
No,
treat
y'all was
everyone
not.
equally.
You know,
ma'am,
no, was
'cause I
not.
didn't know
No,
you
you
from
was
Adam.
not, because my granddaughter was on video, and the way that you all came up and grabbed me by my arm and janked it up like that in front of everybody and handcuffed me, you could have walked me in the back.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
I
you
don't know you
could.
from Adam. So I
No,
would treat you
and I
just
don't-
like I would treat anybody
No,
else.
No, you don't.
Fairly, impartially. Safely.
No, you did not. No, you did not. And I'm not being argumentative to you. I'm just upset and I'm embarrassed.
I can understand that.
I'm upset and I'm embarrassed. That's all. If they can't, they don't worry about it. As long as I know they banged me from here.
Yes, ma'am, they did. And I'll go ahead and show you everybody that needed to signed off on it. So there's your name, your signature, the property manager name and signature, and that is my name and my signature.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
And it wasn't indefinite.
Yes, ma'am, it is permanently.
That's kind of harsh, isn't it?
I didn't decide that.
Sir, isn't that kind of harsh?
What?
Indefinite.
It's not my choice. It's target procedure. I'm sorry.
You can fit my person?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Thelma, so this is a copy of the arrest report.
Yes,
You're
sir.
gonna cut a copy of this, and then there's gonna be a case report number on here that you could pull from our system.
Yes, sir. Oh, thank you so much.
You got it?
Yes.
Oh, let me unclip those for you real quick.
These right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna just get them out your way. You look really nice with the purse. Do you want to help me with the seatbelt? What are you looking at?
The woman was charged with theft, but only for the incident that occurred that day, as prior incidents could not be prosecuted without sufficient evidence or were no longer legally actionable. She was also issued a permanent ban from all Target locations. Share your thoughts below and
Yeah, she was talking about, isn't that kind of harsh? Why was you stealing from Target? Target is one of the worst ones for you to even try that foolishness with. I really don't understand why people try that foolishness with Target. Target not playing. Target is not playing, boy.